Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About x, we multiply by cosine x minus number 1. So if I put number 0 going here, here, and here, we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So we need to do first the derivative of this one. So that should be like this. This one that is for x. So this one we need to do for sine x and x. Next, this one that is about number 1. This one that is about negative sine x. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about cosine x. This one that is about number 1. So we can see that cosine x minus number 1 divided by cosine x minus number 1. So we have number 1. So we need to find the limit of this one. So if I put number 0 going here and here, this one you got number 0. Cosine of number 0, we have number 1. Number 1 minus number 1, you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use L'Hospital. So we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one that should be like this. And this one that is about cosine x. So this one we have number 1. This one that is about cosine x. This one that is about negative sine x. Now, if I put number 0 going here, they still got 0 over 0. And now we can use about L'Hospital again. So this one we have cosine x. This one we have cosine x. This one we have negative x sine x. This one we have negative cosine x. And now we put number 0 going here. And this one we have number 1, number 0, and number 1. So that is about negative number 2. So we go back in here. So this one that is about negative number 2. And that is about number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.